What's up, good people? It's your boy LSCR254. What's going on, y'all? We back with another one. Y'all know what motherfucking time it is. Goddamn me. Yes, sir. I think get ready to mix it on up, man. We're gonna get rid of our little sampler. You know what I'm saying? Open it up for you. See what it look like. It's that split. It's that split. Time for that color. Let's go. Okay, so this is second coat. Yeah, second coat, about 10 minutes between coats. I've gone through roughly two of the containers. So I had two, and then I guess like a half. So I got a little bit of time to mix up just a little bit more. I'm gonna try to go for like a third, and then maybe like a flow coat. But yeah, our imperfect body work is shining through, but I mean, it is what it is. I'm not that worried about it. Ain't nothing but a G thing, baby. We gotta get this out of here, wrap up January 2022, and move on to bigger and better things. You smell me? All right, so let me show you what we're working with. I ain't looking too bad. Got one more little flow coat I'm gonna do. I mean, it might not even need that, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Flow coat, or any spots that I think needed coat. That's gonna be the one. My body work is showing, but like I said, from way back here, like it ain't a show car. Ain't nobody gonna know, so. Or if they do know, you know what I'm saying? Fuck it, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? I did it myself. Yeah, overall, man, very, 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 very pleased or whatever with it. But yeah, like I said, that last little flow coat we're gonna let it dry for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit it with that clear. Probably like 2 to 3 coats of that. So like the top and the front of this motherfucker probably gonna be like shiny in a bitch, and then you gonna have like the side just like black. like I said, man, I gotta get a Tudo in here. January was whatever we was gonna do, if we was gonna do it at all. So I got this clear 2K, we're finishing 2K clear. I got the medium activator, so it's perfect for that temp that it is, should I say. You can do a medium, you can do a fast, or you can do a slow. Slow is for really hot, I guess. Fast is for really cold. And then medium is like right there in the middle. And so yeah, air dry. So yeah, 4 to 1, 2 to 3 coats with a 10-minute flash. Air dry, dust free, tag free, and then buffing 24 hours. So this will put me right at, I guess, the time that I get off tomorrow, and then we can come back and look at it, give or take. I'm saying a couple hours. So I ain't never used this. I bought this shit on sale at work. I was like, fuck it. Fuck it. Give it a go, you know what I'm saying? Shit, we a rookie anyway, baby. But yeah, rookie ain't looking too bad over here. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, the only thing is like my body work is showing. I'm not the happiest about that, but a little bit more time and effort put into it, I probably could have got it right, but I'm good. This is whole lot further than a lot of people can get on their own recognizance. I'm talking about, that ain't too many doing it like your boy. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, we ain't building show cars, man. We just DIY projects. You know what I'm saying? So if I can spray it, it's cleared, and get it to this state, then shit. Like I said, it's a whole lot further than a lot of people can get. So hopefully somebody can watch this video and be like, I can do it too. You know what I'm talking about? I can do it too. Compressor doing this thing, no issues. No issues at all. So shout out to this. I'm still gonna try to kill you, but still gonna try to kill it, but yeah. So yeah, let me go ahead and do this last flow coat, then 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna start mixing up my clear 0-1 or 8-2, whatever you wanna call it. All right, so this is second coat, and then I'm gonna second coat of clear, and I'm gonna flow coat some. Like I said, the bodywork imperfection I already pointed out to y'all. But as far as that color, baby, yeah, not too bad, right? Not too bad. Get your bodywork up, you'll be good to go. I got one more little baby flow coat I'm gonna stick on there, and then we're gonna call it good. So this is gonna wrap up the month of January 2022. I'm saying we dove in, body work, getting the principles down, sanding that down, boom, boom. I'm saying, sanding it down, doing some body filler, getting it good to go. So there is there's one more area. Well, the whole car needs to be painted eventually, but as far as right now, this is the only thing I was worried about, because the hood looked horrible. I mean, horrible with all that rust and stuff on it. So took it down, got rid of the rust. Same thing with the roof. The roof looked horrible. Then we got to put some of that split on that thing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, not too shabby. So like I said, one more little flow coat, man. I don't even know if it's really a flow coat. I'm just trying to sound like I know what I'm doing, but this was brought possible to you by Underground Paint Underground Paint Kings, Sprayway Customs, True Grit, Faraway. You know what I'm saying, all them guys put out great information on their channel, man. So, like I said, body work still needs some work, but like I said, the only reason I sprayed it because it was already in here, and it served as a tester, so to speak. You know what I'm saying, it was my warm up. You know what I'm saying, it was my warm up before, you know, we jump on that Tudo, bring it in here, bust it down, and get it ready for that split as well. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, y'all get jumped down in the comments, man. Let me know what y'all think. I don't think I see any really big runs. Maybe some orange peel, but for the most part, looks pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. So if you get up in there, you can see the sprinkles. And then show you the sprinkles. The sprinkles. motorcycles. So, like I said, not a professional bodywork person or a painter, just DIY gang, making it happen is what it's all about. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So until the end, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Oh, well shit, I guess I gotta do the flow coat and show y'all after it dries shit. Alright, so we didn't took the tape off, or most of the tape. I still got some remnants of tape that I gotta get off of here. But yeah, I'll get to it eventually. But yeah, man, you can see, oh, see that split? That split, my boy. That boy did good. Not too damn shabby, if I say so myself. Shit, I'm with it. It ain't perfect. You know what I'm saying? It's an orange peel in there look like. But you know, shit. Good enough for government work. Good enough for government work. This shit look crazy. This shit look crazy as hell with this goddamn, it's like blue. Cause I mean, technically it's the same color. Like, this is the original blue. It's the same blue. It's just that this is some fresh ass blue, and then this is some old busted ass blue. So it's like, I don't know, it looks crazy. Whatever. It looks crazy, but yeah, man. I'm gonna go on in and open up the garage. Let the sunlight hit that bed for the very first time, my boy. That artificial light, that real light. Ooh. Yeah. I don't think that thing doing it justice. I don't think that thing doing it justice. It got a little sprinkle to it. A little twing-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Like I said, it's probably an orange peel. Buff it out, whatever. I ain't worried about it. You know me. Body work wasn't perfect. We had a couple areas that had some issues, but I mean, overall, unless you just really get up on it, you ain't gonna see it like that anyway. But check out the grills, nigga. You can't really see it back here though, but yeah, this right here is probably the closest you gonna get to like seeing a light on it for right now. Which, like I said, it don't look terrible. Don't look terrible. I'm satisfied, and I know the next time we can do it even better. I did have like a little hiccup right here where you can't even really see it no more. Where the damn hose got caught like back here on the wheel, and I lost air in the gun. The gun spit up. The gun spit up on the damn car, and I was like, damn. I was like, no. But overall, it came out. I said it came out good, man. Y'all hop down in the comments, man. Let me know. And that's actually kind of with some dust on there. You know what I'm saying? It's that little sprinkle tangle, my boy. Sprinkle tangle, my boy. So yeah, I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Learned a little lesson about taping. I shouldn't have taped that shit off like that. Next time, go with the flow. But technically, I should have just went ahead and shot this whole thing right here. So, Is what it is. But yeah, as far as the top and all that, it's good to go. Good to go. Yeah, man, the light hitting off that thing. Ooh, pressure. Pressure. Not too shabby, man. Ain't nothing but an LS Rider production, my boy. So yeah, I'm still have to go back and spray the front clip and all that good stuff, man. But like I said, that down the line wasn't necessarily a what's the word I'm looking for? Priority right now. But this is it, man. This is the splay. I told you I was gonna put that splay on it. And that's that splay with the natural sun hitting it. You know what I'm saying? And we gonna get it right, bro. We gonna get it right. But we wrapped it up just in time for the end of January 22. And we finna get ready to pull this up out of here. And then go on and put my two-door in here and get busy. Cause it's time for the road to Whip Fest. Up next. Yes, sir. Hey, man. Cut it off.